Hey, hi there, fellas. Hey, guys, tell me, would you guys would like to make more money? Would you guys would like to have the opportunity to make more money? If you say yes to one of these questions, then welcome to this short video on which we're gonna speak about the best way to make money online. Okay? Okay, fellas, first of all, for you guys that don't know me, my name is Sebastian, and I am a personal development and financial independence student. And I am here to help you to achieve your goals by sharing with you my ideas on the subject of personal development and financial independence. Okay? Pay attention. Okay, guys, first of all, I would like to say thank you for everybody that's watching this video. You just tell me that you guys are people who are willing to learn more about business and life. And not only that, you guys must be people who are willing to improve the quality of life of your wife and family, which is something very, 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 very awesome. So keep up. Yeah. Okay, guys. Best way to make money online. Okay, guys. As you guys already know, there are many ways to make money online, Okay, in this video we're gonna speak a little bit about the best platform. You can make money, in any platform. There are many platforms that you can make money on. You can make money on Facebook, you can make money on YouTube, you can make money on Instagram or any other platforms, There are many platforms that are coming around there and then you guys can make money. Now, what is the best advice that I can give you guys is that, you can make money in many platforms, but try always to choose one platform, Choose what I mean. What I mean is that try to master one platform before you go into other platforms, Like, for example, if you are, how can I say, if you have to choose, if you like Facebook too much, then master Facebook first before you go into another platform. Or if you are on YouTube, then master YouTube before you move into another platform, Why am I saying that? Because if you try to go to many platforms at once, you're going to become average, and you're not going to be able to succeed. You're not going to be able to succeed, Like, for example, it's just like what the Bible says, A double-minded man is unstable in all his ways, It just simply says that, if you try to do two things at the same time, instead of becoming expert at both things, you're going to become just average, So what the best online marketers or the best online professionals they choose one platform that they like, they master that platform, very good, very awesome. They master platform. In other words, they master a platform until they start to make money on that platform, until they start to make at least $10,000 or more, If they are on Facebook, they stay on Facebook until they start to make $10,000 and then they move into another platform. If they are on YouTube, they stay on YouTube until they start to make $10,000 and then they move to another platform. Yeah, and then they move to another platform, And this is what you're supposed to be doing, So if you are on YouTube, stay on YouTube until you master YouTube, and then you can move to another platform, or stay on YouTube forever. If it is Facebook, do the same. Master Facebook and then move to another platform, or stay on Facebook forever. Instagram, the same, or any other platforms. Okay? Okay, guys, leave your comments below, and don't forget to check the link below so that you can have the opportunity to see this free ebook that's going to help you with the problems of life and business. Okay? And by checking the link below, so you're going to have the opportunity to see this program that's going to allow you, that's going to teach you how to make money online in a very effective way, whether YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. Okay? Write your comments below, buddy, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.